Fine, let us start working on the problems based on comparing quantities. This is the first problem, right? So the question is, the sum of 40% of 70 and 70% of 40 is equal to, they have given 4 options, right? Let us find out here. So 40% of 70, right, plus 70% of 40. Right, this is what we need to find out. You know how to find out this. 40% of 70, that is 40 by 100 into 70, right, plus 70 by 100 into 40. Just simplify it, you are going to get the answer here. So these two zeros, 0 0 will be cancelled. 7 4s are 28, plus now these two zeros will be cancelled, so 7 4s are 28. So 28 plus 28 is going to be 56. Option D is the right one.